Hello class, what's up, is Raj here. So today we are discussing about the class 9 science, the chapter 7 are there, diversity in the living organisms class. इसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे class. So first of all, our first topic is class basic idea of classification. What do you mean by it, the basic idea of classification? So diversity equals to variety of living organism. You know that class, there is a very important to know that there is a diversity out there. So there is a different type of living organism present in our environment. So this is known as diversity class. What is the classification class? The group organism based on similarity. For example, so grouping of organisms based on their similarity, what types of similarity in that particular organism are there that is responsible for this, the classification including are there. So these are the interrelation or correlation between the group of organism based on their similarities, first of all. After that, each organism is different. You know that in environment there is a lot of organisms out there, but they are different to each other on the basis of their measuring parameters and applied characteristic including are there. Helps in easy study and identifications. So it is help in easy study and identification including are there. For example, humans can walk, trees cannot. देयर इज एग्जाम्पल, ह्यूमन चल सकते हैं क्लास, लेकिन जो ट्री जो लिविंग है क्लास वो नहीं चल सकते हैं. सो देयर इज अ करेक्टर डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैम अमॉन्ग द ह्यूमंस एंड अमॉन्ग द ट्रीज आर देयर. आफ्टर दैट, the basis of classification. What mean the basis of classification if we're talking about class? So body structure, there is a body structure, there is a simple and complex, okay, and the cell type, prokaryotic and eukaryotic also including are there, and the mode of nutrition, there is a autotrophic and heterotrophic class. So first of all, the evolutionary relationship also including are there. For example, the first generation, second generation and third generation, there is a no similarity, yeah, interactions between the generation 1 to generation 3, yeah, f1 to f2 f3, first generation, second generation and third generation, there is a no interrelation between them. So what we're talking about class, so these are the body structures, cell type, mode of nutrition and evolutionary relationship among them, and the establishment, the relation between them. So we have to knowing that class, these all are including. For example, if you're talking about the important scientist, so who is the important scientist for it? Aristotle, the first classification. So in this first classification, we are talking about class land, water, air. So these three things come under in it. After that, we are also talking about the Darwin. Darwin is responsible for the evolution, and the evolution come under it. Origin of species including are there. After that, we are knowing that these are the important scientists, and what is the terms in terms of their classifications and terms of their evolution. Okay. So five kingdom classification, who give that? So Vetker give the five kingdom classification, and what is the type of it? There is a five type class: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So these five are including in the five kingdom classification that are given by the Vetker. After that, hierarchy of classification. So in the class hierarchy of classification, we are knowing that class there is a order. क्या order है इसके? So species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. So there is the highest rank among this order, yeah, hierarchy of classification is a kingdom, and the lowest the hierarchy of classification is a species. So we know that class. What do you mean by it? The basic unit equals to a species. So if you're talking about the basic unit, that come under in a species, and kingdom Monera also including are there. Unicellular, prokaryotic means no nucleus including are there. Nutrition, there are the two types of nutrition, autotrophs and heterotrophs. So these all are come under in the kingdom Monera. After that, there is also example including are there, bacteria and Anabaena. Okay, so bacteria and Anabaena also come under in the kingdom Monera. After that, if you're talking about the kingdom Protista, so if you're talking about the kingdom Protista, that unicellular, eukaryotic, that is the true nucleus including are there. And after that, the movement are the only one type, that is cilia. You can also call it flagella. So these are the true nucleus about the unicellular, and there is a locomotion, a movement, what do you say in a terms of motion, and cilia and flagella is a locomotion parts. Examples: amoeba and diatoms are the example of it. Next, kingdom fungi. There is a multicellular, more than one cell are made up of that particular things are there. Cell walls is a cytin. No photosynthesis, there is no photosynthesis occur, and sporophytic nutrition also including the kingdom fungi. So what is the example of it? Mushroom, rhizopas are the example of it. And what is the special things about it class? Lichen equals to fungi plus algae. Both are combined in the lichen, and fungi and algae combined to call the symbiosis. Okay. So these all are including in this. After that, there is a kingdom plantae. If you're talking about the kingdom plantae class, multicellular, cell wall, that is also known as cellulose, photosynthesis, that is the autotrophic are there, and after that, what is the example of it? Rice and wheat are the example of it. And what is the types of plant? Thallophyta. Thallophyta means simple body, no roots, stems and leaves including in the Thallophyta class. And what is the example of it class? Is Spirogyra. Okay. Next, if you're talking about the Bryophyta class, amphibian of the plant kingdom that come under in the Bryophyta. For example, live on land plus need water. Okay, the both things including in the Bryophyta. First of all, amphibians, that particular organisms that live in a land and also live in a water. For example, Funaria. This is the commander in the plant kingdom. Next, Petridophyta class. What do you mean by the Petridophyta? First vascular plant. First vascular plant, first of all, root, stem and leaf present are there in a Petridophyta. And you also know that class there is example including other, that is called class Fern. Fern is commander in the Petridophyta. Next, Gymnosperms. If you're talking about the Gymnosperms class, what do you mean? The naked seeds, no fruit. For example, the pinus including in the Gymnosperm class. After that, Angiosperm, seeds inside the fruit. First of all, monocot and dicot. Examples, mango and wheat also including in the Angiosperm class. Next, kingdom Animalia, multicellular, no cell wall. There is a no cell wall including are there. There is also heterotrophic in the kingdom Animalia including are there. After that class, non-chordates. If you're talking about the non-chordates class, Porifera, that directly proportional to the sponges. Okay, Porifera sponges, Colecentra, Coleantrata, that is an hydra, Pelthalmus, Plethelminthes, flatworms, nematoda, roundworms, annelida, earthworm. So these are the example of that. And after that, the orthopoda come under in the cockroach, mollusca, octopus, echinodermata, starfish. Okay, these are the chordates. Pisces, fish and gills, fins, amphibia, land and water, reptilia, scales, aves, birds and feathers, mammalia, milk glands. Example, human and whale including are there. Nomenclature, scientific naming system. Okay, nomenclature. So given by the Linus, and there is a two species including are there, genus plus species. Okay, so in this there is a ostrich, Stretio camelus. Okay, so Stretio there is a genus and the camelus there is a species. For example, human scientific name class. अगर human की scientific name लेंगे तो क्या होगा class आपका? Homo sapiens. Homo is a genus and species is a Homo sapiens. Okay. Quick revision class: kingdom, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Basic unit: species. Okay, Bryophyta, amphibian of plants, Gymnosperm, naked seeds, mammals. Mammals. That is the milk glands. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Please like, subscribe, share my channel how much you can. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.